incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we are going to be diving in to yet another Lush kitchen subscription box. This is probably one, if not my absolute favourite video to film every single month, because I just love receiving this green box at my door every month and having no idea what's inside. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. Okay, so I've just opened the box and the first thing I can see is the Community Faves card. This is so exciting, and on the back it says, "Hey, I'm Finley. Hello Finley, I've met you many a time. As a member of the community team and host of Lush Reveals, I'm on a mission to introduce you to the latest and greatest products and launches. This month's box is a selection of scents that I absolutely love and wholeheartedly hope you do too. Keep an eye out for the community favourites and new creations. P.S. I also co-run the Lush Discord server, so if you haven't joined, click the Discord button on your digital stories, join the platform and come say hi." So basically, if you guys didn't know, Lush do have a Discord. It is completely free to join, so I will hold this up if you guys want to scan it, feel free. But yeah, love Finley, such a nice guy, so I'm very excited to dive in. I have just seen something else. Let's see what that is. I have just spotted this as well, a really sweet selection of stickers. We have a strawberry, a lemon, an orange, 29 for 29 High Street. We've got Make Lush Not War, cosmetics to go, and a Lush sticker as well. I really enjoy the sort of Lush stickers. I think they're so cute and just really fun, something different, so I love those. Now let's dive into the products. I'm so excited to see what Finley has chosen. Let's go. So if you guys haven't ever watched my kitchen boxes before, I will always pick out the potted and bottled products first. So the first item is in a pot, and I'm going to hold it up to you guys before I look at it. So this is what it is. I can't actually see what that says. We have got, oh, okay, we have got Flying Fox body lotion, and it says feeling foxy, softened and scent, wait, hang on, I knew this was going to happen, soften and scent, I think it's meant to say soften and why can't I say that? Soften and scent the skin with organic cocoa butter, floral ylang ylang, and heady jasmine. Ingredients wise in this one, we've got almond oil, cocoa butter, cypress oil, jasmine absolute, palmarosa oil, ylang ylang oil, and I think that's all. But basically, from what I can remember, Flying Fox is a very strong jasmine scent, so if you don't like strong smells, I don't know if this one is going to be for you. But let's see what the lotion's like. It might be a little bit lighter. Okay, it's not, but it is so good. Do you know what? When I first started working for Lush, I hated this smell. Like this smell, Karma, like they weren't for me, but actually smelling them now, I think they do really take me back to that time, so they're almost nostalgic to me. So this is what the texture's like. It's a very milky, very light consistency. It's definitely a lotion which I would lean towards because it soaks in really, really quickly. It smells delicious. So that's soaked into the skin really quickly. I actually am really excited about this one. I feel like this is something I genuinely would use. I'm not gonna lie, like I'm not much of a body lotion kind of gal. Like I am the sort of person that would forget to sort of put body lotion every time I get out the shower, but this one is really light, really lovely, and it just smells really nostalgic, so I love that. Next up, let's do another one, and I'll hold it up in front of you guys again. So we have a bottle, and this is a medium-sized bottle from what I can feel. Okay, can you guys, oh, I've done that perfectly. So this is what it is. Is it something good? Scream at me, let me know. Okay, I'm gonna look. Do you know what? I did not expect that, because this is a Valentine's Day scent, and I'm so excited to have this one again because this shower gel, it holds such a special place in my heart, honestly. So this one says, the sweet scents of marshmallow root and vanilla pod infusion rescue you from boring showers. And ingredients wise, it has grapefruit oil, sandalwood oil, vanilla. We've also got geranium oil, carrageenan extract, pomegranate juice, but it just smells so good. Let's give it a smell. This is so good. This really takes me back again to working for Lush, because this was the shower gel that came out for Valentine's Day every single year, and it is such a staple. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't really describe it. It is a sweet smell, but you can definitely smell the floralness to it, but it's not like smelling a bouquet of flowers, if that makes any sense. It's a very sweet smell, but it is so good. So that is the second item, and I'm really impressed that we've received a medium-sized bottle in this box. So I'm absolutely just over the moon with this. Good job, Finley. Obsessed. Next up we have, oh, I think there's another pot in here, so let's go for that one. I've touched something wet. What is that? I don't want to look because I don't want to spoil it. Is it a shower jelly? Why is my hands wet? Okay, let's just have a look. I've tried not to look then. So this is what it is. Is it something good? Let's have a look. Oh, okay, it is a shower jelly. That's why my hands are wet. That kind of makes sense. Happy for Sad shower jelly. Let the light back in on those dark and gloomy days with a fresh white lily infusion and citrus scented shower. This one has got things like aloe vera gel, neroli oil, grapefruit oil, red mandarin oil. Let's smell it. I hope it is delicious. I didn't expect a shower jelly. I don't know why. Oh wow, look at the colour of that. I'm gonna hold it up and try not to spill it all over the floor. It's a really lovely deep purple colour. It is reminding me so much of the Twilight shower jelly. R.I.P. a staple. Wait. Okay, at first I was like, no, because it does kind of smell like a doctor's to me. But the more you smell it, it has got that really fresh kind of grapefruit smell to it. I mean, it's not my favourite, but it's not bad. Like, I will definitely use it because it is that kind of fruity, fresh smell that I enjoy, but I probably would say that Twilight is and will always be my favourite. But yeah, I mean, it's not a bad shower jelly. It smells like grapefruit. It's super fresh, really good for this time of year. And also, if you guys didn't know, you can actually put your shower jellies in the freezer and you can use them in the summertime. I mean, or the winter if you want, but they come out freezing cold, obviously. They've been in the freezer and they're lovely to use in the shower. So highly recommend putting them in the freezer. Next up, I think we only have 2 more things in this box. So there's one thing that's wrapped in a box that's in the shape of a perfume, and I'm screaming eternally right now. And then there's one thing which I think is a bath bomb. So let's go for the box first. And okay, when you see something like this in your kitchen box, instantly I'm praying it's a perfume. So let's see what's inside. It could be a perfume, it could be a pillow spray, it could be anything. Let's dive in and see. I'm hoping it's something absolutely delicious though, which I feel like from the scent so far, is it going to be something floral? I wonder. I'm going to pull it out and hold it up for you guys to see first. Is it something good? I hope that you can see it, and I hope it's not upside down. It might very well be upside down, but hopefully it's a good one. Let's see what it is. Ooh, do you know what? This is a throwback, because this again was something that was out when I used to work for Lush, and I used to smell it, and it was one of those things that I never bought it, I don't think, but it was such a beautiful scent. Or did I buy? I might have bought the oil actually from Oxford Street years ago. Oh, wow. Do you know what? Well, I feel like you would love this if you like smoky, woodsy scents, which you wouldn't think I would like, but actually in a perfume, I am growing to enjoy those smells a little bit more because they're just really layered. Do you know what I mean? Like an onion. I know you were thinking it, so I said it. That is so good. Ingredients wise in this one, it's got things like vetiver oil, lemon oil, grapefruit oil, cade oil. So it's got that very kind of woodsy, smoky cade oil smell. It is really good though. Do you know what? I think my scents are changing. Maybe I will like Aquamarina now. I highly doubt it, but I might do. But yeah, that's Exhale. I'm very excited about that. I really do appreciate when Lush put in a perfume for us, because I think it makes the box just feel so much more luxurious and so much more special. So yeah, really excited about that one. And last but definitely not least is a bath bomb. So let's pull this one out. I have no idea what this is. This is what it looks like. It is a yellow bath bomb. It doesn't look like there's much going on with it. It literally just looks plain yellow, which sometimes I feel the simpler the better sometimes with a bath bomb, but this is what it looks like. And let's see what it is. Shall I smell it first? I'm going to smell it first. Ooh. We've definitely had a smell like this before. That's really good. It's very fresh, very subtle. It almost smells like a really lovely fabric conditioner. Does that make sense? Like a really fresh, clean kind of smell. This is the Lemon Days and Ginger Beer Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise it has got ginger oil. See, this is funny because I absolutely despise like ginger beer. I hate the taste, I hate the smell, but this doesn't smell like that. This smells really good. So this has ginger oil, mimosa absolute, sandalwood oil, red mandarin oil, geranium oil, bergamot oil, lemon peel powder. How exciting. Yeah, this one smells really good. Again, it's a very fresh smell, very gentle, very subtle. I am a big fan of that, so yeah. Delicious, wow. Amazing. So those are all of the products that were in my August Lush Kitchen box. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I would love to know down below, are you subscribed to this box? Did you get it? What did you think? Or if you're not, I would love to know your thoughts and opinions anyway. I just love having a chat with you guys, so let me know down below in the comments your thoughts and opinions. Obviously, as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. We are on our way to 11,500 of you, which I honestly cannot comprehend. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do. I upload twice a week on this channel, mainly focusing on Lush and book things. So yeah, if you love those sorts of things, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.